Everybody, this is Tim with Lincoln School of Music. I wanted to give you a real quick tutorial. You've probably been getting a lot of emails from us through a company called Opus1. We recently changed software companies, and so you'll be required to set up your new account. Why is that important? Well, you'll be able to see your upcoming lessons. You'll be able to manage your payment methods. You'll keep your contact information up to date, but the most important thing for you now would be to register for events like the upcoming concert that we're going to be having. So in order to do that, you click on My Account button below here, and that takes you to this page here. So you'll have to create a username, login, and password. So I kind of created a dummy account here, and we will log into that. And it's really that simple. You can see this dummy account here. You can adjust your profile. You can update your payment methods. A lot of different things over here. You can add dependents. You've got changing passwords, syncing calendar. And then I kind of just created a dummy account. I have, like in this case, this particular fake student, which is me, sets up private lessons at this particular time. On the right side, you've got your subscription that you have going on here and your invoices that are coming due. And over here, we'll have comments. Every week, we should be giving you some sort of lesson notes of what we covered in class, and so you'll be able to access those as well. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me at tim@Lincoln School of Music, and I hope this helps.